enter the app, it will take you straight to the Snap Cam, which is like the home page for Snapchat. And then in the upper right corner, we have the flash, which is that little lightning bolt icon you can turn on and off. Then we have the screen flip, which you can just tap the screen twice to flip from your face to your view. And the little human icon is where you can add your friends by just typing in their username.
You gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah.
So now you can click on that little arrow icon under the lightning bolt, and here you have your timer, which allows you to have a 3-second countdown before taking a photo.
I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50, man, they miss me.
If you would like to make your pic look a little higher quality, then you can use the focus feature, which just allows you to focus on a face, and then the grid, which just allows you to map out where your picture is.
Goes down on you.
So the little guide in the left-hand corner brings you to your profile, which has your username and your Snap barcode.
And even if the sun goes down on you,
you can add a pic straight to your story from here.
on top, yeah.
If you hold down on your Snap, it will give you an option to delete the post, save it to memories, or send it to a friend.
That's a sin.
Here you can create a Bitmoji, which is the little cartoon version of you, or you can see who your friends are.
He don't have the means to get his pocket filled.
The little red wheel is your settings, and here you can change multiple features about your profile.
Had to make me say that even if the sun goes down.
If you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll see the little smiley face, and this is where your face filters are.
On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down.
Now at the bottom of your screen, you should see another mini smiley face, and this is where the community lenses are, which are filters created by other people. Now at the bottom middle of the screen, you'll see 2 little photograph icons, and if you click on it, this is where you can view your memories, which are just snaps you have saved, or you can also view your camera roll if you allow Snapchat to do so. Now if you click on one of your memories and hold down, you have many options like exporting a photo to save it, deleting it, putting it on My Eyes Only, or you can edit the photo and do whatever you want with it and then send it to a friend. Here you can change the color and font of the text.
The sun goes down on you.
The little icon with the 5 is where you can control the amount of time you would like your snap to be displayed, but you can also choose no limit, which allows your friend to see the snap as long as he or she wants to. The paperclip icon is where you can copy and paste in a URL with your snap.
Yeah.
You can use the scissors icon to outline a specific thing you want to make a sticker of. However, there's a large variety of stickers that you can find under that little icon, and there's also Jiffies, which are just moving stickers.
Vibe like sons, and I had to raise them strictly, wishing I could always stay this.
Now you can click on the little marker icon to draw or write anything you want. Just make a pinching motion with your fingers to change the brush size. You can also use some emojis to draw if you would like. Now, if you would like to save your changes or just send your picture to a friend, hit the blue little arrow and you can do so. Swipe to the left to view any messages from your friends.
Take it in, feel it all around.
Now I am in the chat box where I can view a message from my friend, and if you hold down the text, you can save a message so it will always be there. So a little tip if you're new to Snapchat, if you screen record or screenshot a message in the chat, it will notify the other person. So once you're in the chat box, you can click on the little camera to send them a picture. You can send them a Bitmoji or a sticker, or even send something from your camera roll or memories. Some other fun features is you can also call or FaceTime someone in the chat. Up at the top you see a little chat icon where you can create group chats with your friends. If you swipe to the right, you'll be at the Discover page, which is where you can view your friends' stories. If you would like to send a story to a friend, just hold down on it and then hit that blue little arrow. Under the For You section, there are different news and magazine articles, as well as some stories that you can browse through.
Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey.
When you take a video on Snapchat, there are 3 different settings you can use. When you turn on bounce mode, the video bounces back and forth like a boomerang.
And even if the sun goes,
The play once mode will only let the person view the video once unless they want to replay it. The loop mode will play the video continuously until the person stops it. If you would not like your original voice to be heard in the video, you can change it to an alien sound, or you can just mute it.
who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50.
So you can also add different color filters on your videos, as well as some effects like changing the speed.
I could always stay this way, ayy, chillin' by the bay. Had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down.
If you would like to add multiple filters, you can just hold down on the screen and then keep swiping, and the little stacked icon in the bottom right will show you how many filters you have.
Take it in, feel it all around. Take a breath, feel the wind. Don't
You can also do this with pictures.
invest in yourself, liberate, dividend, cash it in, never spend.
The last feature I'm going to show you guys is the Snap Map. Pulling down on the main page will take you to the Snap Map where you can locate you or your friends.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah.
Now there is a privacy setting for the Snap Map, which is called Ghost Mode, which basically just hides your location from everyone, but you can also customize this so only a couple of your friends can see your location.
Keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Oh, yeah. Though you're gone far away.